Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Recognizing his son's intellect, his father was determined that Bose should become a member of high ranking Indian civil service full stop. So, he sent him to England for further studies full stop. In 1920, Bose passed the civil service and secured the fourth position full stop, but by this time the Jallianwala Bagh massacre had taken place, which had disturbed him greatly, full stop. Paragraph change. Even though he passed the ICS, he was not interested in serving the colonial masters, full stop. By this time, Gandhiji had established himself as a leader of the masses, full stop. Like many others, Bose was also influenced by Gandhiji, full stop. So, he went to Gandhiji and offered himself to work for the Indian National Congress, full stop. Gandhiji was not able to turn down this humble request and sent him to Calcutta to work under Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das full stop during the period 1921 to 25, comma, he was mainly involved in the activities around Calcutta and was arrested on numerous occasions, full stop. This led to his being imprisoned, full stop. Later, comma, he was again imprisoned along with Deshbandhu, and the two lived together in jail, comma, where Bose served his leader humbly, comma, even cooked his food, full stop. From this time, comma, Bose considered Deshbandhu as his guru, full stop. Paragraph change. When Deshbandhu became the mayor of Calcutta, comma, Bose became his chief executive, full stop. While holding this office, comma, Bose freely mixed with revolutionaries, comma, which made the British government arrest him and deport, full stop. Paragraph change. Now he had ample time to think for his future course of action, and he decided to go on the path of open revolution, full stop. In June 1925, comma, Bose was deeply struck by the sudden loss of his leader Deshbandhu, full stop, but he continued to work, full stop, in 1928, during the Congress meeting. The main agenda that was presented was to get a dominion status for India, full stop. This was prepared by Motilal Nehru, full stop, but the youth leaders rejected this, full stop. Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru wanted complete freedom for India at the earliest, whereas the Congress committee wanted it in phases, through a dominion status, full stop, to avoid any problem, Gandhiji suggested to give the British government a time period of 1 year to give dominion status to India, failing which he himself would present a bill of complete freedom, full stop, stop.